What's good, guys? It's Marsh from Katie and Marsh, and Katie is on Discord.
Hi.
We figured out how to do this. We're gonna be playing hide and seek.
Oh, we're not in the same server.
I'm not even playing.
Oh. Okay, you joined me.
Server, are you playing hide and seek extreme? Okay. Yep, there's 12 out of 14 people.
Okay.
Ooh, for king. Ooh,
Pause
for
the recording
king.
right now because we still have a minute. You pause the recording.
What?
The recording.
We're back.
How about the round just ended.
Select map. Select map. Yes. Yes.
Oh, you select the map?
What map do we want? What map do we want?
You're the one that we were just in.
I don't know what.
The store.
Select that map, boy. I'm gonna do that again next round.
No one gets spot on this one. No one ever finds me.
Please don't be it. Please, I don't want to be it.
Is there a door around here, or is it just me? Oh, no.
Yes. Okay, beverage fridge. Beverage fridge.
That is not a beverage fridge.
Okay, to the beverage fridge. Bye. Where are you?
I have a spot.
To the Kate, stop. Kate, this is the most easiest place to find someone, so, yeah. There's a taco truck!
I saw that.
I'm sorry for you guys, I'm just yelling into the mic. Where are we hiding? Should we hide on the fire extinguisher?
Oh, just come over here.
Oh,
Then
the
if he tries to
door.
get us,
We could hide on one of the boxes. Down there.
that'll be too obvious, friend.
Should we go down here?
Oh, hop on top of the fire extinguisher.
Okay. Woo. Bro, she's quick. 3,
What?
2, 1. Yes! It worked. Come on. How she already found? She already found 3 people. That's insane.
You're dead. Are you in a hiding spot?
Yeah, I'm in the, what'd you call it?
Oh, storage room?
I'm on the I'm on the fire extinguisher.
Oh, I'm coming.
Come down to the fire extinguisher. Wait, are you in the box room? Are you in the box room?
I'm still upstairs. Okay, wait, I'm coming.
Come on, just drop down.
I'm not gonna make it. Okay. Dude, we are never gonna be found.
I farted. It felt
That's
good.
gross. Okay, wait, I'm spectating it.
Wait, how do you do that? Oh, wait, never mind, I see it. I see it,
Okay,
I see it.
okay.
She's a panda!
I'm an ice bear.
There's 2 people.
Go, run, little guy, run!
Run, boy! Boy! I have the lucid.
Coming.
Wait, to us? Oh!
Kind of, but I don't think she's gonna see us. I think she's gonna jump down after she realizes no one else is up here.
Oh, I think he's going to this person. Oh! Got he. Run, little guy! Run! No! I have these loops where I can move a thing.
Where is she gone?
She's not going for us, that's for sure.
Uh,
She's going for a square, though. Square! 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 Square in the square in the vending machine. No one's in here. That would be good. Oh, I saw someone. I saw somebody. She just ran for dear life. You're never gonna find us.
Someone that just walked up to the teleporting thing.
I'm gonna select this map again, should I?
Yeah. Our hiding spot is bomb.
Is in the boom. What? Did you see that magic?
To select it again, you have to pay for it again.
Yeah, I know, I'm gonna. I have like 50 Robux. Oh no! Oh, she sees this dude. Oh, you're not gonna find us. Oh no, 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 no. Where are the others?
See that person on top of the door.
Where are the others? Yeah, we're gonna win, boys. Boys! I don't know where he went. I don't know where he... Yeah, she's not gonna find us. Ha! Bro, she's 480. She's almost 500 studs away. She's not gonna find us.
Jump up. Whee!
Whee! 10 credits, boy! Boy! Come on, select. Bye. I got you. Told you I was gonna do it. I have a 6.45% chance of being at it. What's your chance of being at it?
6.45.
Same with me. Ha ha ha! That tasted good.
Go.
You know the plan. You know the drill. You know our drill, Caitlin.
Told you I had a good spot.
What were you going to do? Are you going to the fire extinguisher?
Yeah. Are you?
Yeah.
If we were wearing all black clothing, we could hide on top of the vending machine.
Should we?
Oh, I have a white shirt on.
We should have wore all black stuff. That would have been funny. That would have been funny. What's up?
I fell off.
Go to your best hiding spot.
I only have 7 seconds left to hide. Oh my gosh.
Try running for the thing.
I made it. Okay.
Okay, I made it
I'm
back.
coming.
Okay, don't let her see you. I made it back to the area as well. I have these loops. I think she sees me. I think she saw me. How do you taunt?
What?
How do you taunt?
Go buy a nicer hat.
Who just said that?
Go buy a nicer hat.
That was me. That was dude.
Here, buy yourself some talent.
Oh my god.
Here.
Hey, are you on the fire hydrant?
Yeah, the fire hydrant. What?
I mean, the fire extinguisher.
It is right in front of me. Yeah, hi. Listen, watch this.
Here. That's what you're worth. Here.
How many credits is that?
Here. Go buy a nicer hat. Here.
Ah,
Keep
Robux.
the change.
Ah.
Here. Go buy a nicer hat. Here. That's what you're worth. Here. Keep the change. Here.
Oh, I have this.
Here.
How do you do taunts?
That's what you're worth.
Press T. 3, 2, 1.
Here. Keep the change.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
Here. Buy yourself some talent.
Yeah, we're the dicks in the
Okay, wait, where is
Robux.
it right now? We probably should spectate that. She's not even.
Oh, she's 419. 3, 2, 1.
Here. Go buy a nicer.
Oh, whoops.
3, 2.
3, 2, 1.
Here. That's what you're worth.
I'm gonna drop some down.
Same.
Here.
We should just jump down.
Nicer.
You want to jump down? No, she's coming!
I see her.
I know!
Here. Go buy a nicer.
It was just not here.
That's what you're
Should we just jump down?
Unless she's coming for us.
No, she's not.
Oh my god, all my money falls down.
Should we jump? I'm jumping down. Bye.
Go for it. I'm not. Bye. Wait, I wanna come.
Yeah, I'm going into the box room. She's like, no, she's 600 studs, almost 700 studs away.
For me, where are you? Okay, I see you. Coming.
Do you not? Just, okay, good. Come on, come on. Come to my little cove.
This is your cove.
Here. That's what you're worth.
Where are you?
Go, keep, hi!
Here. That's what you're worth.
We probably should be taunting right now. Flip it, I'm going out. Go down for real! Let's go, let's go! We're going on a
Where
trip.
are you going?
I'm running.
Here. Keep the change.
She possibly can't find me.
Oh, she's coming towards us.
I
Oh,
know.
no, she's not. Never mind. Yes, she is.
Yeah, she is. I can see her.
Don't go out there.
I can see her wretched booty.
Where are you? Wait, slow down. I'm coming. We have 5 seconds left.
Here. Buy
3,
yourself
2, 1. Ha ha ha! You didn't find us.
See you next time on our channel.